Hey, what's up, everyone? It is TechWares. Today is January 7th, 2025. And this video is about Intel Arc. So currently, CES 2025 is ongoing. It actually started, I believe yesterday was day one, or maybe day zero of CES 2025 in Vegas. And Intel had a keynote. It was also live streamed, where the CEO, the interim, I think, co-CEO, they talked about, some announcements, some new product announcements. They also spoke on Intel Arc B series, and they talked about the Intel Arc Discrete graphics business. And as this article states, Intel reiterates its commitment towards discrete GPU segment, will continue to make strategic investments. That's right. Despite, not a lot of people, but some people on the internet, and even some tech influencers, I like to call them, they like to say that, Intel is going to cancel Arc, Intel is going to, drop the desktop discrete graphics cards. They're going to quit. Even though Intel has come out and stated multiple times that we're dedicated to the Arc business, we're going to keep developing and, research and development, for Arc, and we have the roadmap and we're steady, working on the roadmap. They released the first gen Alchemist A series discrete graphics. B series graphics has launched. The B580 was released. The B570 is going to come out in a couple of days. People keep thinking that Intel is going to cancel Arc. The co-CEO, this is yesterday. I'll even play the video. I'll play the live stream. Let me try to find it. It's right here. Okay, this is the live stream. This is the replay of it. I'll show you where the interim co-CEO of Intel stated what they said.
Statements in this exceeded our volume expectations and have shipped over
1.5
million CPUs to date. So we took the AI PC beyond notebooks with the launch of Intel Core Ultra Desktop. It's our first AI PC for the desktop category, scaling AI PC. We know the industry is excited about all of our AI. At Intel, we are more our game in graphics, and most recently, we launched Intel Arc B series graphics card, also known to many of you as Battle Mage. When we first announced our plans to enter the discrete graphics market, you all had a lot of feedback. Many of you told me that we would never compete, and I won't say that it's been easy, and we've certainly come a long way. We got a lot of feedback on that first generation of Arc's graphics card. We took it all to heart. We redefined our strategy, our IP portfolio, worked diligently on our software to really deliver the experiences gamers expected from Intel. So with the Arc B580, we've introduced a new choice in a large market segment, very underserved by our competitors, offering best-in-class performance per dollar, modern features, and the all-important AI acceleration capabilities. And I have to say that the reception from gamers has been nothing short of fantastic. And we will release our second Battle Mage product, Intel Arc B570, next week. And this week, you'll hear a lot more about the new edge and automotive graphics products that we will be launching over the next few days. I get this question a lot. We are very committed to the discrete graphics market, and we will continue to make strategic investments in this direction. So if you take all of this together.
Did you guys hear that? She said, I get this question a lot, and we're very committed to the Arc discrete graphics card business. There we go. What more do you want? Now, there's going to be some people that are going to say, oh, they have to say that. It's for investors. Oh, they're lying. Oh, they're... Stop it. They've said enough. How, before people used to say, oh, why doesn't Intel just come out and say that they're committed to the Arc discrete graphics card business? There we go. Now they said it. What more do you want? So there we go, everyone. Intel Arc is not going anywhere. All right, here is several articles, publications wrote on this. This is from The Verge. Intel won't kill off its graphics card business. We are very committed. Pledges Intel's new co-CEO. This is from TechSpot. New Intel co-CEO confirms the company is not exiting the graphics card market. WCCF Tech, PC Gamer. All right. Intel is confident about next-gen Arc Celestial GPUs following Battlemage success. There we go, everyone. You know, Celestial or XE3 architecture is going to be in Intel Panther Lake. Panther Lake is releasing second half of this year. That's what Intel said. XE3 is Celestial. Celestial is coming. So Intel Arc C series GPUs are going to be releasing after Battlemage. And then we're going to have Druid, which is the D series, and so on. All right, so Intel's not going to cancel Arc. All the gamers rejoice. We're not going to have a monopoly with just NVIDIA dominating, and you don't have any options in the lower end budget-friendly graphics cards. AMD is going to be releasing RDNA4 GPUs, which are the Radeon 90 series or 9000 series. NVIDIA just announced the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series or 5000 series. We have options. So more competition, more options, better for us consumers. Don't be a fanboy. You gotta like all these companies and support with your money, right? Buy what you can at the time of purchase. With what your budget is. It's just as simple as that. Not everyone can buy the RTX 5090 for $2,000+. And imagine if only NVIDIA released discrete graphics cards. Imagine how horrible that would be. They can do whatever they want. They could be like Apple and just insane prices and just, dominate. But thankfully we have options. We have Arc, we have Radeon, we have GeForce. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Take care. Peace.